Hello everyone, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. Alright, this particular update is for everybody that participated in Celia Finance. So in this video we'll be talking about Celia Finance and all the latest updates you have to know. So as we all know, today is the final day to claim our Celia tokens, which is 27th of December 2024. So we have less than 24 hours to do this. So if you know you participated in Celia, then stick around this video as I'll be walking you guys through step-by-step guide on how to go about it. So first thing first, before you proceed with the claim, there are a few things you need to put in place. Firstly, you have to locate the custodian and non-custodian exchange where you submitted your details, right? So if you know you submitted your details from Trust Wallet, then you head straight to there and follow me step by step. Everything that I do here will work on Trust Wallet. But if you are use your MetaMask, then stick around me as we do this. So firstly, you have to come to this upper section and make sure you are under BNB Smart Chain, regardless of any network you have right here. Just change it to BNB Smart Chain right here. So this is BNB Smart Chain. That's the first thing you have to do. Alright, after changing it to BNB Smart Chain, then you go ahead and import the Celia token contract address. I've already made a video on how to do that. So if you know you have not imported your Celia, then do well to watch that video. I'm going to attach it somewhere in this video, and I will still leave the link in the description section of this video so that you can be able to import your Celia contract address right here. So without the Celia contract address, even though you claim your Celia tokens, it's not going to reflect. Okay, so it is very, very important. That's the second thing. Then thirdly, you have to make sure that you have some amount of BNB in your BNB Smart Chain wallet right here. Okay, that will serve as gas fee. So if you guys take a look, you'll see that I have 2 point something dollar worth of BNB right here. So after this claiming, we are going to know the exact amount of BNB that you will be needing for this particular exercise. So after you've got all this done, the next thing is to proceed with the claim. So I'm going to leave the claim link in the description section of this video. So all you have to do is just to copy it and head straight to the dApp browser of your connected wallet, either Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Then you proceed. So after you've set all this up, then you are good to go. So take note, the first, second, and the third. Ensure that you are under BNB Smart Chain. Ensure that you have imported the Celia contract address, and make sure you have some amount of BNB right here. So after you've got all this done, the next thing is to come to the browsing session of the dApp browser of your wallet. Okay, then you proceed with the claiming. You just have to wait for it to load up. Let me just minimize all this, the dApps. Then I will paste the Celia claim link. Type search right here. Let me do this. So like I said, I'm going to leave this Celia.finance, sale.celia.finance. That is the link for the claim. So I'm going to paste it in the description section of this video. So you just have to copy it and follow prompt, exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so this is it. This is how the interface will look once you just pasted it right here. So what you have to do first is to locate this upper section that is say connect now. Then you hit on the connect now button. Then you choose your own. So I'm going to choose MetaMask because that's exactly what I used. So that's the first step. Now you guys can see is showing connected. Okay, so after you've connected right here, then you come to this 3 dotted line here. Come to this 3 dotted line here. Then you locate this last part that says claim dashboard. This is when your token will reflect. Alright, beautiful. So I hope you guys can see claim dashboard. This is the amount of Celia that I have to claim. Okay, so after it has reflected like this, you have to take note of this. Make sure that you are seeing this BNB logo right here. Okay, that is why it is very important for you to be under BNB Smart Chain. So you guys can see that my token has already reflected, right, my amount of Celia. So the next thing is to still hit on this place that they wrote connected. Still hit on it. Click on the connected button. Then you see this place that they wrote BLC mainnet. You tap on it. Then you will see now that it has changed color. After you've connected it to the BLC mainnet, then you hit the claim button. Then you wait for them to process the claiming. It's loading up, guys. So the next thing is to hit on confirm. It's still activating. Alright, so this is the amount of BNB, the network fee that they are going to charge me. Okay, so once you've seen this interface, you can see estimated charge. you will receive your this is the amount of Celia you will receive, and the estimated charge, and the maximum gas fee and everything, and your connected wallet. Okay, so you just have to hit on confirm, then you wait for them to confirm your claim, and you can see transaction submitted right here, and you can see claim successful. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So I've already claimed my token. So the next thing I have to do now is to head back to the home dashboard of the wallet, and let's see if it has reflected right here. If it does not reflect, then you just have to give it some time and it will reflect. Okay, but you guys have seen I've successfully claimed my Celia tokens. Alright guys, if you take a look at my dashboard right now, you can see that my Celia token has reflected here already. So after giving it few minutes, then it reflects in my dashboard, and it's even obvious that they didn't even take anything reasonable. I thought, let me just say they took just few cents, because I have 2 points, should I say 2.60 something USDT, and now I'm still currently having up to 2.50 something. So they didn't even take anything reasonable. So that's just it. So I think you all have seen everything. Do well to just follow the step-by-step guide and follow prompts, and claim your own Celia. So like I said, today is the deadline for us to claim. So just do well and claim it in your wallet. You guys can see my Celia token right here is in my MetaMask. So just claim. Let's be on the safer side and wait for more updates from the team. So that is just that on how to claim your Celia token. So if you really found value in this video, do well to smash the thumbs up button, like and comment on this video, and also share it so that a lot of people that need this particular tutorial assistance will get to it and know how they should go about it. Okay, and if this is the first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we drop an important update like this, you are not going to miss out. So thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now, and remain blessed.